In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint realistic highlights in Affinity Photo. This simple, non-destructive approach will help your subject pop with believable light, whether you're working on portraits, products, or landscapes. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. If you're working on something important, consider using a duplicate of the file so you always have a clean original to return to. With the image open, create a new pixel layer above it. This keeps your highlight work separate, so you can adjust strength, blending, and softness at any time without touching the base image. Select the brush tool and choose a soft brush. A low hardness gives you a feathered edge that blends naturally into the scene. Pick a light color. Pure white can work, but a warm off-white often looks more natural, especially if the scene is lit by the sun or indoor lighting. Keep brush opacity or flow on the lower side for better control, and adjust the brush size to match the scale of the details you're enhancing. Now paint gently where the light would naturally hit. Think about the direction of your light source and the form of your subject. On faces, that might include cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, or the top of the lips. On objects, it's the edges that face the light, ridges, curves, and glossy surfaces. Use light strokes and build gradually. Follow the contours so the highlights wrap around forms instead of sitting flat. If something looks too strong, you can always undo or paint with a slightly darker tone to dial it back. Change the highlight layer's blend mode to overlay or screen. Overlay blends your strokes into the existing contrast, adding richness and a more integrated glow. Screen brightens more aggressively and is great when you want a clean, airy lift, especially in lighter scenes. Toggle between them and choose the one that feels right for your image. Lower the layer's opacity to fine-tune intensity. Subtlety is key here. Highlights should enhance, not distract. Then apply a Gaussian blur to the highlight layer to soften the edges and create a realistic fall-off. A small radius keeps detail crisp, while a larger radius creates a broader glow. The right amount depends on your image size and the mood you want. If halos appear, reduce the blur or lower opacity until it blends naturally. That's it. Open, paint on a new pixel layer, blend, and soften. Save your file so you can revisit and adjust the highlight layer anytime. With practice, you'll add light that feels natural and elevates every image.